First, the top news headlines. Manipur BJP organizes workshop on Union Budget 2020. And Tamanglong's Luangkau village waits for development. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA and you are watching News Today at 1 p.m. And now the news in details. A one-day workshop on Union Budget 2020 was held today at BJP Manipur Pradesh Office, Kanchipur. BJP leader and Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthomba Biren Singh, Vice President of Manipur BJP Salam Joy, Party General Secretary and MLA T.H. Satyabrata and a host of party workers attended the workshop. Speaking during the workshop, Chief Minister Biren said that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 2030 vision document, the Indian economy will be put on a fast track. Talking about the various welfare schemes for the people, Biren said that development of rural areas is the chief priority of the government as Indian economy mainly depends on the growth of the rural economy. Chief Minister expressed confidence that despite some financial setback, there would be sustainable growth in the state economy. He asserted that the economy and the welfare of rural people are on the track now. Chief Minister also stated that investment by the people will help boost the country's economy. Biren also appealed to the partyman to work along with the people on different issues to maintain the trust of the public in the party.
BJP ne laura iba role. BJP natana Manipur gi or awanopok Bharat ki akoi indigenous population akoi ki khanba party leram drese masi prajada bhata hanbiyo noibu preserve torga noi protect or kan constitutionally noi da akhanna protection thamma kan noi kandaba yadi na laura ise BJP nataba party anta leiti se prajada thangan do aduna idi BJP se sahi kuntra another 2030 Manipur da leibam thui
Luangkau village is anxiously awaiting the attention of the Manipur government for development. This remote village, which falls under Tausem subdivision of Tamanglong district, is the birthplace of first tribal freedom fighter of India, Rani Gaidinlwe. The village is rich in flora and fauna, wildlife, bird cave, historical places, hornbill and abundant minerals beside the beautiful Makru River which flows through the village. The village has around 230 households of 1,300 Rongmei tribe. The main occupation of the villagers is jhum cultivation. The village has only 2 government employees. Shortage of drinking water is one of the main problems faced by the villagers for a long time. They have to walk 2 kilometers to fetch water. Despite repeated appeal to the government to arrange rainwater harvesting facility, no steps have been taken up so far, the villagers lamented. Children of the village go to the neighboring village for study as the lone junior high school at the village has no adequate teachers, which is a clear sign of violating Rights to Education Act 2015. The residents of Luangkau village expressed dismay over neglecting Rani House and Rani Tomb by both the state and central governments. They want a museum, library and to make Luangkau a proper heritage village. Chairman of the village, Lung Tuanang Pamay, criticized the government negligence towards the backward village.
Ekoi Nongkau se yam wana pale mayam huzik ekoi Nongkau asida yumlak Chani contra dum lere do ekoi service to leitre hai bayai sisna ekoi yama wana laugi thabak suna ekoi toribni government gi income dasu laktre ekoi yama wana panabni jo nungsina ngesisina ibok rani magi mingda nongkau ise government naso mayam nungsina yang bibio hena ekoi request thousand
India government na ising si yang bio akoi ising mafam sida ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ 9-10 ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ.
President of Rani Gaidinlui Foundation, Luzik Lupaime, also underlined the need for preserving the village and its heritage.
Now we are looking forward to the government of Manipur or central government to motivate better than this. And also I hope this is the freedom fighter tombs, so she deserves better than this. And also we want to make better building than this, and also to make a park around surrounding here, so that everyone who knows about Rani and who wants to learn Rani Gaidinlui as a freedom fighter of India, they may come and enjoy. And even there is no seat, there is no place to raise, so this is the compel of the situations. So we are looking forward, and we want governments to take up this responsible as well.
Rotary Club International today organized a cycle rally to commemorate its 115th anniversary. The cycle rally was held under the theme Ride for a Clean Imphal City and Healthy Life. Konthausam MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan flagged off the cycle rally from Belo Bicycles and Accessories Showroom, Changangai. Members of the Rotary Club of Imphal, Maniwood Club and cycle enthusiasts took part in the rally. The rally passed through Kaisampat, Governor Road and Kangla. They held placards that read, "Your garbage, your responsibility, stop littering. Yes to cleanliness, no to litter." Rotary Club International President Dinesh Haubam on the occasion said that the cycle rally spread a message on cleanliness. And now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee ₹500 only, monthly fee ₹500 only, 1 year ₹4,500, 6 months ₹2,400, 3 months ₹1,300. February thagi
Ibadaw nongda lairen pakhang Salai taret poki Maitei community semki Singlai pak asidagi nongchup lomda Tekhau kasar Takhel Tripura Silet Bangladesh Ngasidi Maitei community sing mami samlakai Aikhoi hauzik apun bagi saktam sagatuna tungi damak charol surol gi damak Maitei community sing punsan bai base Aikhoi punamaki tangai phadaba thaudang oirake lakadoriba Mars ki tang mari amadi mangada Kasarda pangthok jagadori malemgi oiba mifamase yaubinabagi damakta irei cha khudikmana matam chana lengbirak nabagi damak Panmaitei convention amadi Assam Manipuri Progressive Front ki maigai dagi noluk chabaga loinana ikok nona ngaijerongge lengbirau.
Welcome back after a short commercial break. Thoubal Police and Thoubal Commando arrested 2 illegal brew sellers from Pechi Hills under Nongpok Sangai Police Station in Thoubal district this morning. According to a police report, the arrested were Kangabam Jiten Singh, age 40, son of K. Matum from Charangpat Mamang Lekai, and Laitonzam Joy Singh, age 32, son of El Naharadi from Huikap Awang Lekai. The police recovered over 100 liters of liquor from the duo. The seized liquor was handed over to Yaripok Excise Station for further action. In another incident, Thoubal District Police arrested a man along with 8.42 grams of heroin during a drive at Thoubal Moijing Lamkai Sorok Mapal last evening. According to police report, the person has been identified as Muhammad Nahathoy, S42, son of late Muhammad Jan. Rupees 16,050 in cash was also recovered from him. 4 illegal liquor factories were busted last evening at Ukhongsang Mayai Lekai under Sekmai police station. One person identified as Hizam Jainta Singh, age 40, son of Ibotombi Singh, was arrested. 800 liters of liquor, 100 kgs of fermented rice, utensil used in the brewing process, and 2 kgs of ganja were recovered from the factories during the drive, a report said. Troops of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarters IGAR South seized 5.62 kgs of WY tablets worth rupees 1.5 crore at Technopol checkpost near Sita Road Junction yesterday. During a routine check of the vehicles at around 3:15 p.m., troops of Assam Rifles stopped a grey-color Maruti Eco van bearing registration number MN01 AG6087, which was driven by Paugonging Hauloi, as 22 years of Senapati, along with 2 female co-passengers, Hatnainang Haubum, as 37 years of Senapati, and Haikokat Kongsai, as 33 years of Sadar Hills. On carrying out a thorough check of the vehicle, the suspected WY tablets were recovered from the rear seat of the vehicle. The arrested, along with the recovered items, had been handed over to Technopol police station for further investigation. Helps are pouring in from various individuals and groups after TOMTV recently aired an exclusive report on the life of Laishram Achoba from Khangabok, marking the 4th Foundation Day of EPAO Manipur WhatsApp group. The group extended help to the family of Laishram Achoba. Admin of the group, Laishram J.K. Kuman, said that the group will continue to extend help to the poor and needy people. As a part of the police public relationship program, a team of city police station today conducted a cleanliness drive in the surroundings of the Thangal Bazaar, Mahatma Gandhi Avenue. Officer in charge city police Sudhir and shopkeepers of the Thangal Bazaar area took part in the program. A security meeting was conducted by Assam Rifles in bordering villages of Dinpir region yesterday. Villagers of remotest region of Southeast Manipur attended the meeting of discussed the problems faced by locals due to ongoing insurgent activities. The villagers highlighted the lack of development in the region and attributed it to the nefarious activities of the valley-based insurgent groups. They also highlighted that the Assam Rifles has tirelessly worked in the remotest corners of the state to bring peace and harmony in a region which was marred by presence of insurgents till 2007. The meeting was conducted by Ceylon Battalion of 28 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South, with an aim to improve the bonhomie amongst the villagers and the Assam Rifles deployed in Samtal Salient. The Khasi Students Union KSU yesterday warned elected representatives of Meghalaya not to play with the future of the community. The students' body also vowed to aggressively pursue the demand to implement the Inner Line Permit ILP in the state. After the results of the 14th KSU general election on Saturday, Lombok Star Mangar not elected uncontested for the 2nd term as KSU president. The KSU announced that the newly constituted Central Executive Council CEC will soon sit to discuss issues concerning the people of the community and the state, especially to pursue the demand for ILP aggressively. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC closed the entry and exit of the Jafrabad station in northeast Delhi amid a protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA outside the station this morning, as per a media report. In a tweet, the DMRC also said trains will not stop at this station. Delhi police have also deployed additional personnel around the Jafrabad metro station as women continue their protest against the CAA. There was already heavy security deployment, including women police personnel, in the area when the protests began Saturday night. Jafrabad became the latest anti-CAA protest seat in Delhi when about 500 people, mostly women, gathered there to protest against the new citizenship law and the National Register of Citizens (NRC), blocking a major road on Saturday night. And now we have sports news. Manipur Tug of War Association today felicitated the players who took part in the Ek Bharat Seshra Bharat Zone 3 National Integration Tug of War held at Nehru Stadium in Haridwar of Uttarakhand from February 10 to 13. The function was organized at the office of the association in Kuman Lampak. Gifts were also presented to the participants of the 12th Open National Tug of War Championship 2019 held at Kathmandu, Nepal from May 27 to 29 last year. And now let's move to the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, with 4 deaths in Iran and more cases in 3 continents. Fears of coronavirus pandemic rise, spread. NSN IM Kadar Freight, NH2 blockade call off. Civil Secretariat, furniture purchase but building is still incomplete. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights bats for child policy. The People's Chronicle, student hospitalized after harassment by flying squad. Student volunteer inspect exam centers. Northeast Frontier Railways eyes to complete rail project ahead of schedule. Chief Minister attends nearly 500 complaints on public day. Imphal Free Press, democracy complete without informed citizens. Ramnath Kovind. MDA endorses government's move to legalize cannabis. Manipur Mail, Chief Minister attends 500 complaints. CPI's campaign to save democracy, constitution. Internet, social media have democratized journalism, revitalized democracy. President. Retirement part of our life. Biswajit tells retiring employees.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Manipur BJP organizes workshop on Union Budget 2020. And Tamenglong's Luangkau village waits for development. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and have a good day ahead.